Hey all, this is Justin with Cinemagic Productions. Today we're going to load a Bolex using a magazine. For the purposes of this demonstration, imagine these items in a dark bag. Remove the film from the can. Place film on the magazine's left side with the film perforations down. Secure the guide roller over the film. Push the film through the light trap. Make a loop and push the film back into the magazine. Take the film end, fold a 1/4 inch into itself and hook it into the core. Wind it clockwise 2 times. Secure the second guide roller over the film. Place the lid over the magazine and secure the locking mechanism on the center of the lid. At this point, you can remove the magazine from the dark bag. If you plan on shooting later, I advise using a cover plate like so. When you're ready to shoot, remove the cover plate. With the magazine lid face up, pull the film through the light trap from the left side of the magazine. The loop must be 10.5 inches. To make future loading quicker, stretch the 10.5 inch loop to the side of the magazine and mark it. Flip the latch on the back area of the Bolex and remove the light cover plate. Also remove the camera door cover. You must have these 2 rollers in place before threading the film. Insert the 10.5 inch loop through the camera hole. Hook the magazine to the top and secure with the back latch. Open the gate. Note these 2 claws. Open the top claw and slide film over the top gear. While doing that, also bend the film into the gate. Make sure this area doesn't have any slack. Open the top claw and push the film towards the gate. When there is no slack and the film sprocket matches the gear sprocket, release the claw to secure the film. Open the bottom claw and slide film over the bottom gear. Adjust the film entering and exiting the gate so it doesn't touch any part of the camera. Close the gate. Loop the film under the bottom roller. Make sure the film is to the left of the spool ejector and to the right of the top roller. Turn the magazine bayonet counterclockwise, tightening the loop. Place the door cover on the camera and secure it with the locking mechanism with the motor cord facing the magazine's interior. Turn the motor clockwise till it is secure. Secure the motor cord into the MST motor. Take your battery cord and secure it into the MST motor. You may use this optional switch to start the camera. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will remove the camera door cover and magazine cover. When the camera rolls out, stop the MST motor. Detach battery cord first, then detach motor cord second. Turn motor counterclockwise and remove. Flip latch on the camera's top and remove magazine. Place the magazine back in the dark bag with the film can. Unlock magazine locking mechanism. Swing the right guide roller up and remove the film. Place film in the film can and secure the lid. Thanks for watching this tutorial. This was Justin with Cinemagic Productions, signing off.